Here we will write a Python program to find decimal equivalent of a octal number. So in comment line we will write, for example, if we want to convert 304 octal number to decimal, we will use 4 into 8 raised to 0 plus 0 into 8 raised to 1 plus 3 into 8 raised to 2, which is equal to 196. So first we'll accept number from the user. So n equal to int input enter octal number, and we'll give the message digits between 0 to 7. Then we'll define two integer variables, result which is initialized with 0 and I which is initialized with 1. Then we'll use while loop. So while n greater than 0, first we'll separate out the digit from the number. So d equal to n mod 10. Then we'll check if d is greater than 7. So if d greater than 7, enter digits between 0 to 7. And we'll break the loop. Else we'll multiply this d with I. So r equal to d into I. Since for first digit we are multiplying with 8 raised to 0, which is 1, and we have initialized I as 1, so we'll multiply d into I. And then we'll add this r to result. So result equal to result plus r. And we'll remove last digit from the number. So n equal to n floor division 10. And we'll multiply I. So I equal to I into 8. Since for second digit we are multiplying with 8 raised to 1 and 8 raised to 1 is 8, so we will multiply I into 8. And after completing while loop, we will print decimal equivalent of number as result. And we will execute this. I will enter number 304. It will print decimal equivalent of number as 196. If I execute again, and this time I will give number 789, it will print the message enter digits between 0 to 7, but again it will print the message decimal equivalent of a number. To avoid this, here I will give condition, if n equal to 0, then only we will print decimal equivalent. So if I execute again and I will give number 789, it will print only enter digits between 0 to 7.